Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Your Recap for Tuesday, November the 21st. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your room. Any emails for me, you can use this address. This is the link to get into the room. This is a subscription link. There will be a good promo code for 22% off tomorrow. Don't have the code yet, but do you come into the room? I'll be able to give you the code tomorrow. There'll be 22% off. And I open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, and that's when I start to share my screen, and I'll get live on the mic at about 9:05. All right, whoops, just a second. Close down my, there we go. And just 1 second, also close down Skype. All right, well, again, as I said yesterday, I cannot remember doing so many pre-market trades, but certainly now this is becoming way more common for me than not. So didn't have to get up excessively early on this one. This was CLSN. And there's really no news on it that I saw. The only news I saw was that Oppenheimer had put like a $9 price target on it. So I got into this trade just over the whole number at 308. Right about there. Was watching it right here. This is 8:15 my time, or that's 5:15 my time on the West Coast. So, you know, it was really not doing too much. I mean, it pulled back, and then it looked like it was stabilizing, and I wanted to see it get over the whole number. The minute it did, I just decided to take the trade. I thought that, you know, it's a headline. It's definitely headline grabbing or catching. You know, when you see a $9 price target, whether it ever happens or not, it doesn't really matter. But people see that, so I got in at 308 and I sold, you know, I wish I could tell you that I sold everything at 396. Really thought it might go over 4. But anyway, sold along the way 324, 344, 340, 352 on the way down. So turned out it was a really, really nice quick early trade though. So that worked out very well. You know, tomorrow, who knows, maybe there'll be another one of these good pre-market trades. Now XNet, mixed emotions. Yeah, I'm still in this one. This a lot of these China stocks got a bit of a hit. Now this is sort of, you know, I do not profess to know much about bitcoins or blockchains or any of that stuff, but all of a sudden some of these stocks started getting hit. I'll show you one called Riot. And you see what it was doing, and the same thing was happening with XNet. So if you remember, I mean, from the video yesterday, you know, I was in XNet at 16, say around 1660 as a swing trade, and right about here, in fact, I guess it's, yeah, right. I think it's right there, 1656, and I did sell some, but held, and then I was really excited this morning when I woke up and saw it at 21. As it started moving down, though, and really accelerating, I did sell some just, what did I get it out? 1985 and then 1850. And I thought, wow, I mean, that's too bad. And then all of a sudden, it just took off again. So I still have some left. Obviously, not as much as when I first bought it yesterday. So I do still have some left. So it is still a good trade. But that's what I'm saying, the mixed emotions. If this hadn't happened, I mean, I'd still be in, you know, a good part of my trade. But anyway, still an excellent swing trade so far. This one turned out quite well. So why did I get into this one? This is one that I had actually put a price alert on. Take a look at the daily chart and you'll see why maybe I put a price alert on it. And I put a price alert right there, right at the high. So, you know, I'm not going to expand this daily, but really if I look left, there's not that much resistance at all. So I'd put a price alert, so I wanted to know if it took that high out. So right there at 1323. So I got the alert this morning, just a price alert. So easy to set them in Trade Ideas. And so I took the trade at 1330. Yeah, I got into the trade right here. It was right here actually, around 1330. Close enough. And what a nice move it made. I like it, just an absolutely beautiful move. I took some out at No, I know I took some out just under. I know 1368, and it's just under here also. So I still have some. I still have some left. I took some out just in case I couldn't get over 14. So I still have some left, and we'll see what happens. This is a potential swing trade for me. What else happened? Yeah, not much else of any consequence. I had a quick in and out of Riot. Made some the first time, lost some the second time, or lost some the first time, made some the second time. And the other one was CMCM. Yeah, this was an earnings play. And got in just over on this little break here. See a little bit of a pullback, and then it got over 13. Took the trade. I think it was at 13.13. It's holding its own for quite a while, but the spread got crazy, and I got out at 13.03, and I'm glad I did because then it just started sinking afterwards. So anyway, that is about it. Oh yeah, one other quick one, ACHV from the momentum under 10. Very, very quick trade. Got into this one at 162 on this I'm not sure if it was this candle or this candle. I think it was this candle on the pullback, 162, and got out some at 171 and then 188. Yeah. So it was a very quick trade. Some of these you have to be very, very careful on. Super low floater. I think it only has about, I think it had under $1 million in the float. Anyway, I want to get back into the room. This is a short week again. So tomorrow's the last day for the trading room. And all holiday, U.S. Thanksgiving on Thursday, and only a half a day on Friday. Probably not going to open the room. If I do open the room on Friday, it will be at 9:30. I will not open it early, and I probably will not get on the mic. But I may open the room. So, if you're desperate to trade, you can always check in to see if the room is open. All right. So let's put this up here. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.